Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the console and signing into your profile. This ensures changes saved to the right account. Once done, select the system settings gear on the home screen and scroll to controllers and sensors. Make sure your Joy-Con or Pro controller is connected, wireless or docked, so the system shows active input. You need that live connection to remap buttons in the next step, and confirming controller connectivity saves time. Don't proceed if the controller icon is missing. Now you'll open Change Button Mapping for the controller you want to edit. This lets you override default inputs. Choose an existing profile slot or create a new custom mapping so you can revert later. Tap each on-screen button, then press the physical button you want to assign. The system updates immediately. Make sure to test movement, camera, and action buttons in the built-in tester before saving. If a mapping interferes with gameplay, you can edit or delete the profile right away. Finish by saving your custom mapping and exiting settings. Once saved, launch a game to verify controls behave as intended. If something feels off, restore defaults from the same menu or delete the profile and start a fresh mapping. Make sure the controller firmware is current and the controller is paired properly. A quick restart of the console often fixes persistent mismatch issues. If remapping still fails, reconnect via USB or repair the controller before trying again to rule out hardware communication faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.